In this video, we'll see how to send your rates to OTA channels such as Booking.com or Airbnb. To do this, open Vic Channel Manager and go to Bookings, then Bulk Actions, then Rates Upload. As you can see, under the Bulk Actions menu, you'll find two options: Copy Availability and Rates Upload. In this video, we'll focus on Rates Upload, which allows you to send your rates and booking restrictions to your connected OTA channels. The Copy Availability action is instead used to update your room inventory and availability, which is covered in a separate video. Now let's see how to send your rates. On this page, you'll find all the rooms that are synchronized with at least one OTA channel. Under each room name, you'll see a button that lets you select or deselect that room. This allows you to choose exactly which rooms you want to update. By default, all rooms are selected. Moving to the right, you'll find the date range for the update. By default, the system is set to update rates for the next 365 days, or 1 year. If a large number of rooms is detected, the default range may be reduced automatically to create a lighter request. We recommend not updating more than 1 year at a time, as larger requests may take longer to process. You'll also notice the number of days displayed below the date selector. By clicking on it, you can apply the same date range to all rooms at once. Next, you'll find a drop-down menu where you can select the rate plan you want to send to the OTAs. These rate plans are read directly from Vic Booking, so make sure to select the correct one. If you manage multiple rate plans, you'll need to run a separate bulk action for each of them. On the right side, you'll find the list of OTA channels along with the corresponding rate plans available on each channel. When you see a check mark next to a channel name, it means that channel is selected and will be included in the update. Channels without a check mark will be excluded. Make sure that the rate plan selected in Vic Booking matches the one selected on the OTA. For example, if you want to send your non-refundable rates to Booking.com, make sure that you select the non-refundable rate plan in Vic Booking and that the corresponding non-refundable rate plan is selected for Booking.com as well. Finally, the markup option. By default, Vic Channel Manager is set to Upload Same Rates as IBE. This means that the rates sent to the OTAs will be exactly the same as the rates available on Vic Booking. If you'd like to charge higher rates on OTAs, for example to compensate for commissions, or to encourage guests to book directly on your website, simply switch to Upload Modified Rates. This option allows you to apply either a fixed amount or a percentage increase to your rates before sending them to the OTA channels. You can also configure different markups for different OTA channels by clicking the Different Alteration per Channel button. Once everything is configured, click the Submit Rates Inventory Upload button at the top of the page to start the bulk action. The system will process the request and send the selected rates and restrictions to the chosen OTA channels. Once the process is complete, you'll receive a response indicating whether the update was successful or if any errors occurred. That's all for the Rates Upload bulk action.